Today we talk about how can you get MobiOffice AI on your MobiOffice app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, click here on settings, just click on it. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on AI tokens here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then here can you continue to try it here. Then you just click here on subscribe monthly here, add your card information, then it's going to add with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.